Hello. As you may already know, Dahua Technology is a global manufacturer of world-leading video-centric solutions. But locally here in the UK and Ireland, we continue to invest and grow whilst driving innovation to an AIoT future. Our local team has doubled over the last 12 months or so, and we've created a number of programs to support our partners' growth. But more about that later. We work with some of the largest customers in the UK, from the BBC to the Battle of Britain Museum. So if you are currently a Dahua customer, we thank you for your support and your business. But if you're new to Dahua or considering using us for the first time, here are some reasons why we hope that you'll give us a try. We are the largest independent CCTV manufacturer globally. So no matter what the size of the project you are working on, we have the skill, experience, and resource to support you. In addition, our regional sales and support teams are placed closer to the customer, so we're able to provide you superior levels of support. Through our continued innovation and investment in research and development, we produce industry-leading products, which means that as a Dahua customer, you will always have access to the latest products, technology, and solutions. From entry-level products to professional series, we have an end-to-end solution to meet your requirements. Many of our product offerings include artificial intelligence to significantly reduce false alarms, provide video analytics, and advanced search capabilities. Thermal cameras are also increasing in popularity. This has been fueled by innovative features like smoking detection. Our advanced manufacturing techniques have made the products extremely price competitive compared to our competition. And don't forget, all of our IP products are manufactured to be ONVIF compliant. Here are some of the products that we manufacture. We will launch a new video shortly going into more detail about Dahua's products and solutions. And we'll post details in the description below when it's available. Our key integrator partner program offers better benefits than any of our competition's schemes. This includes enhanced technical support and project price support to help you win must-win deals. The fundamental principle of our program is to be a mutually beneficial partnership designed to grow our business together. And if you're a consultant charged with specifying customer solutions, we've created the Dahua Key Consultants Program. This new initiative is designed to deliver unprecedented levels of support to make your life easier. But whether you're an installer or system integrator or a consultant, by registering for one of our programs, it allows Dahua to become an extension of your team, helping you create further growth in your business. Dahua's quality and reliability is far superior to other products in the market from the competition. In addition, we provide the highest level of after-sales support to your customers, so in the unlikely event of a product failure, we're here to support you. We are the first manufacturer in the security industry to be awarded the international standard ISO 27701 certification. This is further proof that Dahua is adopting the highest possible standards for data security and GDPR. As a company, we recognize how important cybersecurity is to our customers. And with this in mind, we have more than 100 research and development engineers working to ensure our products and our solutions meet the highest standards of cybersecurity. At Dahua, we're committed to a greener environment. This not only is in terms of manufacturing processes, but also in the type of products we manufacture. Dahua is not only ROSH and WEEE compliant, but also is committed to environmental protection with the production of greener, lower power consuming products. And finally, we have a growing social media presence. This helps us keep in touch with you, our customers, and share information in a fast and efficient way. Please see the QR codes below to keep in touch. So in summary, I hope you've learned something new about Dahua. As I mentioned in the introduction, if you're not currently using Dahua products or solutions, please give us a try. I think you'll be impressed. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more of our great content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.